Okay, you wanted to know how I put this together. So here's your urn tray. I'm taking it off because it was sitting in the corners there. I'm undoing the bow. I just wrapped that wide ribbon of your favorite color around there. And I also have this pretty pink tulle I'm undoing. And there you go. So now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I cut through the strapping tape that I put on after I did the chenille stem. Man, I got it so good. Okay, taking that strapping tape's off. Can you see my chenille stems? See? So you're just gonna be undoing those chenille stems. I have it so good I can't even undo it. But what I did was I have a green one and a brown one. So I used the green tape so the chenille stems wouldn't slip up and down, and then I just did that, and that's how it worked. So now you know, it's so easy. You can do it. Have fun. Bye.